You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing French word. There are 3 different pronunciations in English. It comes from French, this is why it's confusing. French pronunciation is as cadre. UK British English pronunciation, cadre, cadre. American English pronunciations, cadre, just like the French, or cadre also exists, but closer to French, cadre. From French, cadre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.